Has your watch stopped and you're thinking about taking it to a repair shop and paying for it? In most cases, you can actually replace the battery yourself in just 5 minutes, and your watch will work perfectly again. Hello! In this video, I'll show you how to quickly replace a watch battery at home, how to choose the right battery, and the most common mistakes beginners make. For this job, you'll need a new battery. I'll show you how to choose one a bit later. A small screwdriver, tweezers, optional. And a quick tip, work on a flat surface with good lighting.
First, it's important to understand what type of caseback your watch has. There are 3 types. Screw down with screws, like in my case. We'll go over this one in detail. Snap-on caseback. It opens by prying it up. There's a small gap on the back. Carefully insert a screwdriver or a knife and gently lift it. Do it slowly to avoid scratching the case. Screw down threaded caseback. It opens with a special tool. There are small notches on the back where the tool grips, and they can vary depending on the model. In this case, I recommend going to a repair shop to avoid damaging your watch. In my case, the caseback is secured with screws. Carefully unscrew them one by one. Important, don't lose the screws. They're very small. It's best to place them in a separate container right away. You should do it nearly like this, as shown in the video. After that, carefully remove the watch's caseback and set it aside. Inside, you'll see the battery. Remember how it's installed. This is important. Carefully remove it using tweezers or your fingers. Try not to touch the movement unnecessarily. If you don't have a new battery yet, check the marking on the old one. In my case, it's, for example, a Renata 362 battery. Buy quality batteries. Cheap alternatives can leak and damage the movement. A good choice is Swiss-made Renata batteries. Install the new battery in the same position. Make sure it is firmly secured in place. If the watch starts working, great! Everything went successfully. Now, reassemble everything in reverse order. When tightening the screws, don't over-tighten them to avoid stripping the threads. Done! Now you know how to replace a watch battery by yourself. Save this video so you don't lose it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll be happy to answer. And if you're looking for high-quality watches with a warranty, visit our website. The link is in the description. Subscribe, like the video, and see you in the next one.